Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to register your own domain name. So what is a domain name, you may ask? A domain name is actually the name of your website, or some people call it URL, whereby people can locate your website. So for example, if you want to go to Google, the Google's website name or URL is google.com. Likewise, if you have a business and you want to start your own website, one of the first thing you need to do is you need to register your own domain name. So how do I go about doing that? To do so, you actually need to go to a website of any domain registrar, for example namecheap.com, to register your domain. There are many different domain registrar available in the marketplace or in the internet, and you can choose any one of them that you like or prefer to use. For us, we use namecheap.com, and the cost of registering a domain is about 10 to 15 US dollars per year per domain. So to do that, just go to namecheap.com and I'll be showing you a live demo now of how you can do it. So you need to launch your browser and just go to the website namecheap.com to try to register your domain name. It's pretty straightforward. You just need to enter the domain name that you want to register. After that, if it's available, you can enter your credit card details to pay for the domain name. And of course, you also need the personal details such as email, name, address of the owner of the domain name, because these are information that will be required for you to register a new domain. So in this case here, namecheap.com, just go to this text box here to type the name that you want to register. For example, if you want to register donaldlim.com, you can do a search by typing the domain name here and then click on the search button. Okay, so if the domain is available, it will tell you it's available. If it's not available, it will tell you that the domain is taken up. So obviously, I'm going to try a different domain name because I know the domain name is already taken by myself. So let's say you want to register a domain name called donaldlim365.com. So just enter your domain name here and then click on the search button. Wait for the system to check whether the domain name is available or not, and then you can register the domain if it's available. So in this case here, they tell us this domain name is available. So what I need to do now is I'll just click on this button, add to cart, to prepare myself to pay for the domain name itself. You can ignore all this that you have because they are trying to upsell you. So you see that this has been added to cart for 1 year and it costs us $10.69 with this ICANN fee, which is about 20 cents or 80 cents to be exact. So you can click on view cart to try to check out, and over here they will provide you more information, and you can actually select more than 1 year if you want. So most people just renew it for 1 year unless you decided to do more. It's up to you. And you can also choose to auto renew it next year when the domain expire. If not, if you never enable this auto renewal, what happens is before the domain expire, they will email you to remind you to renew your domain name. Okay, so Whoisguard, there is a 1 year subscription here, and for 1 year is free. So you can disable it if you want. Yeah, if not, you can find out more information about Whoisguard and then enable it if you prefer to do that. So when you're done with that, you can create a confirm order to try to make payment. So if you have a login, you basically just need to enter your username and your password to log in into Namecheap. If you are new to Namecheap and do not have an account with them, you can just sign up for a free account with them by filling up the form over here, by choosing your username, the password that you want, and your first name, and so on and so forth, and then create account and continue. In my case here, I have already have an account with them. So what I do is I'll just click on sign in and continue. When you have an account with them, they may prompt you for further verification. So in this case here, I've chosen my phone number to be used as the verification method. So I will just wait for the SMS that they're going to send me now, and I just need to enter the code that is sent to my handphone by keying in the code over here before I am allowed to go to the next step. Once I do that, I am able to log in to the account successfully. So just let me submit the security code. Okay, now they will ask you to review your order. If you see that everything is in order, what you need to do is you just need to click on the pay now button after you see that the domain name is correct and then the payment details is correct before you will actually click on the submit button, I mean the pay now button. So you can do it over here also, just check here and then pay now to pay for your items, also called your domain name. Okay, so if your account is new, they may ask you for more information like who is the admin contact or technical contact or administrative contact for this domain name. So you just provide the details like name, email address, addresses of the various contacts that you have for your domain name. Yeah, if they are all the same person, you can enter the same details for all the different contacts that they require you to enter. So when you're ready, just click on the pay now button to make the payment. So when you're done, you will get an acknowledgement that the domain is successfully registered, and you will receive email from Namecheap with more details on how to set up your domain name and your order transaction and your receipt from Namecheap with documents your sale is successful. So that's all. To register domain name is pretty straightforward. Thank you.